Instruction. Ano ang gusto niyong i-drawing? First, Caster. Ano?
Cat.
Cat.
Dog. Fish.
Fish. Okay, again? Dog.
Cat. Dog. Fish.
So, yun yung i-drawing niyo.
Yeah! I'll get this one. No, wait. I noticed another kind of yellow in here.
Get one and pass, please. So, what is your color, Cass?
Yellow. Brown. Blue.
So, hindi kayo mag-drawing ng walang twist. Mag-drawing kayo ng dog, cat, fish na naka...
Blindfold.
Yes! Okay, get one.
Oh.
So, ilan to? 5? Princess, ilan to?
1,
Ilan to, princess?
2,
Ilan to?
4,
Ilan to?
5,
Ilan to?
3.
Sama, ilan to?
2,
Ito.
4,
Ito.
5.
Okay, very good. Hindi nakikita. Okay.
Mom.
Now, open your pen. Saan nyo na? Ay, bukas. Sige na, draw na.
See?
Sabay-sabay magtanggal ng blindfold. Mamaya pa. Okay,
Mamaya mag-color?
Huwag may color. It's okay to color. It's okay not to color. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanggal na. What?
What?
Let's see.
I made nothing like a cat. What?
Oh, perfect, Lisa. Can you show us your drawing class? What is that?
Try to make a cat. Kanina ako kanina. Wala kaya kayo.
Okay, Princess, saan yung drawing? What's your drawing? Show us. Ipakita, Princess.
This is mine. Dog.
Dog. How about you, Summer?
Fish.
Ay, galing. Let's see. Okay, Summer first. Wala naman ang kasal ko.
Mama. Saan? Sama ni. Pwede ko sabihin ng kulay?
Wala ka.
Kulay? Pwede sabihin.
Ano, hawakan mo dyan.
Ting. Ano ba?
10, 9, 8,
Kalabasa?
7, 6,
Sili naman laki?
4,
Ay.
3, 2, 1.
Ay, sige.
Tapos ito, mamo. Yeah. Princess.
Siyam. What is it? Mama. Mama, ito to. Mangga.
No.
Mama. Mama.
10,
Sabon.
8,
Mango.
7, 6,
Apple.
5, 4,
Banana.
3,
Orange.
2, 1.
Uy, unsa dito?
Turn.
It's hard to go inside. Onion.
Ah, dali na ulan.
Woo! Ay, bisa onion?
Okay, let's try. Turn.
Yup. Clay?
No.
Sabon?
Yeah, sabon. Meron tayo dito water, pati chocolate, oil, soy sauce, saka vinegar. So, shoot nyo. Ayan.
Tada.
Tadaan!
Puti na kapag.
What's this one?
Ito.
Oh, now.
Okay, go, princess.
Yes.
I'm scared.
Caster.
Akit tayo dito.
Ready?
Pati!
Ano? Ang lasa? Princess! Si...
Pati!
Go. Let's see.
Chocolate!
Eat! Chocolate!
Yummy!
Chocolate! Di ba kayo dating?
Chocolate!
Yes!
Ito na.
Next round. Let's see.
What's this?
Oil. Drink. Drink. Wala.
Malawan.
Batis!
Oh, drink. Princess! Go, Princess! Chocolate!
What you get? Oil!
Drink.
Mix na mama. The game is my brother shows a word and I need to act it out.
And
And my sister needs to guess it. Hi. Are we allowed to stand up?
Wala, nakita na po tuloy sa video.
TikTok.
Wala pa mga tingin.
Sige mo.
TikTok. Shower? No. What's it? Volcano? No. Almost. Thunder? No. Rain? No. Isa na. Tayo ba? Snowy? No.
Okay. Easy.
Cellphone. Phone.
Cellphone. Okay, kasi turn.
Cellphone naman.
Like that, oh.
Snowy? Snow? Yes. Snowing. Why is that putting in naman? Why can't you give me all the elements?
Snowing, cellphoning. Good job, Summer.
Good job in summary.
Mali ko ang nagiging.
Ah.
Raining.
Ang galing nga, yung Summer.
Maksarangin. Raining! Right.
Hoy! Saan na?
Ay!
Ding.
Raining. Right. Going.
I have a,
Pen.
I have a,
I have a pen. I have a pen.
Okay. Sino?
Door. Yes. Basketball.
Ah, Summer!
Swimming. Tama. Sino? Running.
Summer.
Gusto ko yung pick. Gusto ko yung pick. Stand. Stand. Standing.
Ano sabi ni Princess?
Patubig, patubig.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yan, yun ang gawin.
Paper. Scissors.
Tagalog.
Rock.
Ala!
Tagalog. Split. Ah, paano ka split?
Yeah.
Pick mo ba?